Hey everyone, if you've finished building your application and you're ready to make it available to users, deploying your Appsmith application is the final step. In this video, I'll show you how to deploy an Appsmith application from start to finish in 2026. If your application contains sensitive information, verify that only authorized users can access specific pages, actions, and data sources. You should also check environment variables, credentials, and configuration settings to ensure they are properly configured for production use. Once testing is complete, save all recent changes and confirm that the latest version of the application is ready for release. Now navigate to the deployment or publishing section of Appsmith. Depending on your Appsmith environment and deployment model, you may see options related to publishing, sharing, promoting changes, or making the application available to users. Review the deployment settings carefully. Verify application URLs, access settings, authentication requirements, and any environment-specific configurations. And that's how to deploy an Appsmith application in 2026. With proper testing, security reviews, and deployment planning, you can confidently deliver powerful internal tools and business applications to your users. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.